Hi, Joy here. This is Tax 1 Basic Banking System of Spark Foundation Internship. In this video, I will show the website and explain the code. I followed MVC pattern Laravel PHP. So be with me till the end. First, we will see the website. After that, I will explain the code. So let's start our website. PHP artisan serve. Okay, copy. Okay, let's start. So this is our website and this is the home page. In this home page we have a hero. It's copyright images, not my image. I download it from Google. And there is some about option, tax, also dummy tax. And here is the basic detail of clients. Okay, and there's a client section. We can go it from here. It is active, also working. It is transaction amount. You can transaction amount, and here is the history of transaction. And if transaction okay, then right sign, else cross sign. And okay, let's have a transaction. So here is all clients. So I want to transfer 1 lakh from this from my account to, okay, number 8 Herbert trailer. Okay, this is my account detail. This is my invoice is unique key, and my name, my email id, and total amount in USD. So I want to transfer it. Which one? Okay, next to mine. So here is the important thing. You can notice that my invoice will not show in add receiver, because a person cannot transfer money from his account to the same account. So if we see another one, let's see Rose Potter. You can see here, her invoice is 1235 and it missing from here. So this is my invoice. So I want to receive some from this Rose Potter account. Okay, select my account and let's see how much she has. 1 lakh. Okay, this amount. Now I made it from two step, because one step I don't think it's okay for me, because in one step it can be slipped or awkward situation for one step and transaction money. It's not so easy when it's come to transfer some money. So I made it from two step. First step, just select your account amount and the receiver account. After that you can see the full details of which one you are, by whom you are going to send this money. And you can see my name Joydor and my email address. The transfer amount is 1 lakh. After transferring amount, how much it will in the Rose account, it will be 55 55,000 and 50 USD only. So just confirm transfer. You can see after confirming we are redirect to history. Yes, history, and you can see a transaction successful, 1 lakh, and receiver Joy and sender Rose. Okay, let's see some validation. Yes, you can see the amount is added to my account and cut it from Rose account. Okay, let's back her money. Now what if anyone want to send more money than existing his account? Let's say I have only 2 lakhs, so I want to transaction 5 lakhs. Actually it doesn't make any sense, but let's see how it responds. You can see an error message. Let's check transfer amount. Transfer amount cannot be 0 or negative or exceed the original balance. Okay, so you cannot. Okay, let's say 0. I want to transfer 0 money, and also it's not possible because 0 is not in transaction. So let's make another transaction is 1 lakh back. No, I want to give her 2 lakhs. Okay, next step, Are you sure it's source porter? Yes. And this our email ID and transaction amount. You can see a calculation, because after giving the money, how much will buy new balance? It will be 5,500 USD. So confirm transfer. Okay, transfer successful. You can see status successful, and you can see the new balance. I have only 5,000 and she get her balance. So this is the basic, and I have some pending work because I want to add some blocks, FAQ. So I will add it later after completing the internship. Now let's see the code. Okay, one important thing that, yes, there is a pagination called, you can see there are 5 client, latest 5 clients, but here we have various of clients, almost 11 clients. It might be 1,000 clients, not an issue, but here in home page we can see only 5 clients. So I will manage with in controller. So I will see, as I mentioned, that I followed embassy pattern as PHP and Laravel, and database and MySQL. Okay, let's see the database. uh, Find the env file .env. You can see my database name is banking system is added successfully. So let's see one by one. First we will see the route, because this is the main things. Web route, uh, there is the routes, and fortunately I can manage all of function in one controller. It's client controller. I can manage all of this code, this client controller. And now see the our layout is a master blade from and dynamic content. Actually I tried my level best to make it as professional as possible. Here you can see yield and title is a dynamic title for every page, and you can see here is an active. In PHP, what we used to do, we just make some pages, 5 to 6 pages, and in every pages we just include the menu and write this active class. Instead of that, I tried that a dynamic URL and will active automatically. You can see the dynamic URL says not here is only slash, it's active, that means home page, and clients will active clients. So let's see, you can see home page, there is nothing. So this is active, and clients, you can see a client and is active, and home page it's not active right now, it's hover active. Okay, so I manage it dynamically from here, and also footer and my some uh, social media links. And here's the home page. Oh, where is gone? No, no, no. Oh yeah, here's the home page. You can see layout, title, home, body, and the extent of master layout, and the section, body, title, home, dynamic title is varied page to page. And is the uh, email client, and how I manage the 5 top latest 5 clients. Perhaps I can add all of the clients, but I think only adding 5 clients will focus in main pages. So I added a simple pagination in controller. Where is the controller? Oh, it is client controller. You can see client controller. I have added a simple pagination. You can say pagination 5, so I can see only 5 pages. If I give pagination 8, I can see first 8 clients. Let's see, you can see first 8 client. So it's I think it's okay with 5, let it be. And you can see client us, and I have added model and some relationship. Actually there is no use of relationship, but I added it for future. One to many, sorry, many to many relationship. No, one to many relationship. My bad. Okay, and here have these things. Now let's explain with block. No, block is upcoming page, home, client controller, sorry, client blade. If a client blade, in client blade, we can see that serial invoice name, and client as client. I used for each loop for every client controller. Okay, and give it the all get data. You can see no pagination, only every data for all clients. So this is the clients working. And the transfer balance, this is the first transfer balance. Add receiver and I disable and give some values, disable values, because info can be edited by the sender. Only he can edit the amount and the invoice. You can see a failed. If failed, you can see check transfer amount. I use sweet alert and I like this very much. And transfer. Okay, now there is a final transformation, a final transfer. After final transaction, sender can check the data and recheck everything. The final transfer, you can see final transfer, we can check the data. You can see the data where by whom I am sending the money. Here is all data, and you can see confirm transfer or you can cancel it. So this is the final transfer. Now one thing is that from where the client's data are coming, are showing, it's obviously it's from database, but for adding new data, so how can we add these kinds of data? Now we know that we can add from here, and I don't think it's much professional as expected. So instead of that, we can use Cedar Laravel features. So I have added some Cedar database and database Cedar. You can see client Cedar. From here we can add some client. Let's add another client. This invoice, oh no, invoice might be a number, unique number. And okay, now an amount, so this amount, and save. Now just saving the data are not showing here, unlike PHP. If you save something in PHP, it will show, but in Laravel it won't show. You need to push it as migrate it, sorry. So PHP artisan migrate fresh seed. Expect it will work and no error, because last previous days I got lots of error and it made me frustrated. However, I managed to create this project. Okay, now refresh it. We can say Vijaydar is added successfully with this total amount, and we can transfer amount from here. So this was my work for task 1, and I am so thankful to Spark Foundation to give me the opportunity to create this kinds of website. Thank you all.